friends, today we're going to make confetti bean salsa. This recipe contains seeds in the form of beans and corn, along with some vegetables. Let's take a look at the recipe. Before we start, we need to make sure that our work area and our hands are clean. Be sure to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Now let's take a look at our materials. We'll need a can opener, a colander or strainer, a measuring cup, a large spoon, and a mixing bowl. And now for our ingredients. You will need 1 can of dark red kidney beans, 1 can of black beans, 1 can of corn, and 2 cups of chunky salsa. Now let's follow the steps of our recipe. The first step is to open, drain, and rinse our beans and corn. Then, we'll measure out 2 cups of salsa. Then into our large mixing bowl, we'll add our dark red kidney beans, our black beans, the corn, and our salsa. Then mix all of the ingredients together. And here's our finished product. You can enjoy it as is, or jazz it up with your own special flavors. You can scoop it up with some tortilla chips or your favorite vegetables. Enjoy!